In this video, I'll be showing you how to gain access to my Moodle site, and then I'll also be showing you some of the features of my Moodle site. So let's go ahead and get started. The first thing that you're going to want to do is to get onto the internet. As soon as you do that, you're going to go to my Moodle site, which can be found at moodle.monashores.net. You'll notice I did type this over in the left-hand upper corner. Please notice that I did not put www.moodle.monashores.net, only moodle.monashores.net, so please make note of that. As soon as you're on the site, you can go over to the upper right corner where it says login and click on login. And then as soon as you do that, you're going to be logging in. You're going to be using your username and password that you use to actually get onto the computers. And I'm going to be enrolling my husband in this course so he can take advantage of all the algebra videos that might be there. Try it again. All right, and we'll go ahead and log him in. And then from there, you need to find my algebra site. So you're going to go over to Math, over to the left, and then once you do that, you're going to pick Algebra 1A for Wiersma, so go ahead and click on that. And then when you do that, you're going to notice there are two different options. We have a student enrollment key and we have a guest access key. The guest access would be for your parents, and I'll give you a guest access key if they would like to get into my site. The student enrollment key is Algebra is Awesome with no spaces and no capitals. So I'm going to go ahead and type that in. ALGEBRAISAWESOME. And then go ahead and click Enroll Me, and that should get you enrolled in my course. So now you are in my course. You'll notice it does say Algebra 1A Wiersma, so we're exactly where we need to be. The first thing that I'd like to point out about my Moodle site is my This Week feature over off to the right. I'm just circling it right here. It does tell what's going on every single day of the week, so if you happen to not be there a day, you'll know exactly what's going on. If there is any work to do at home, you'll notice like on Wednesday I put PM work. You're going to be working on your Sailors project, so if there is anything to do at home, I'll always list it. Otherwise, I just list what we did during the class, so just in case you're not there, you'll know exactly what we did. Right, then over to the left, you'll notice I've got all sorts of different tabs for the different units that we'll be studying during Algebra 1A. If you click on one of the units, you'll actually get some materials for the unit. The first thing that you'll notice is that there is a Unit 1 packet. If you were to click on that, that will give you all of the information that is actually in the Unit 1 packet. So if you happen to lose something or would like an extra copy, you can click on that and the materials will be available for you. The next thing you'll notice is there is a lesson video. There are currently not any lesson videos on there, but after I teach a lesson, I will put a video up for it. So just in case you are gone for that lesson, or maybe your parents want to help you out and they would like to view the lesson, they certainly can. So those will be available, and it will just say the video, and it will say what it's about. There also is a spot for a tutorial. That's just kind of a hands-on. It gives you a few more practice problems and things like that. It's not anyone talking through it. It's just some pages that you can look at that could help you out. So, and then we can return to the main course page. And then that happens for every unit, and you'll notice we've got 5 units, and then there's also Algebra 1 review that you can go to too. So all of those are different things that you can refer to. Just a couple other things at the top that I wanted to point out to you. The first one is up here. If you'll notice, there's Power School. If you would like to log into Power School from this site, you certainly can. And then if you ever have a question for me, you can click on Teacher Student Email and send me a question. So that is pretty much it. So hopefully now you are ready to log into my site.